Hello, I'm Lander, and today we're gonna talk about DNA, theory of evolution, plants and animals' organ system, and classification of living things. DNA. What is DNA? Deoxyribonucleic acid is a polymer composed of two polynucleotide chains that coil around each other to form a double helix carrying genetic instructions for the development, functioning, growth and reproduction of all known organisms and many viruses. DNA and ribonucleic acid are nucleic acids. Charles Darwin's theory of evolution states that evolution happens by natural selection. Individuals in a species show variation in physical characteristics. This variation is because of differences in their genes. Individuals that are poorly adapted to their environment are less likely to survive and reproduce. Therefore, their genes are less likely to be passed on to the next generation. As a consequence, those individuals most suited to their environment survive and, given enough time, the species will gradually evolve. And next, plant and animal organ system. Plant organ system. Vascular plants have two distinct organ systems, a shoot system, and a root system. The shoot system consists stems, leaves, and the reproductive parts of the plant, flowers and fruits. The shoot system generally grows above ground, where it absorbs the light needed for photosynthesis. Also, the animal organ system has 11 major organ systems. These are the organs of the body, the musculoskeletal system, the digestive system, the circulatory system and blood, the respiratory system, the urinary system, nervous system, reproductive system, breeding. Lastly, classification of living things. All living organisms are classified into groups based on very basic, shared characteristics. Organisms within each group are then further divided into smaller groups. These smaller groups are based on more detailed similarities within each larger group. This grouping system makes it easier for scientists to study certain groups of organisms. Characteristics such as appearance, reproduction, mobility, and functionality are just a few ways in which living organisms are grouped together. These specialized groups are collectively called the classification of living things. The classification of living things includes 7 levels: kingdom, phylum, classes, order, families, genus, and species. Thanks for listening, Manga Lods. Have a good day.